Welcome to the Shabby Fabrics at Home Studio. I'm Chase. Thank you for joining me today to create something together. Today we will be making this adorable Valentine's Day wreath. This is the perfect family-friendly project because it is so easy. It only requires tying material onto this. You guys loved the candy cane one we did for Christmas, and so we thought we'd bring it back for Valentine's Day because it is just so adorable. This is the Blushing Heart Wreath, and I will show you exactly how we're going to make it. Like I said, this is the perfect craft to gather your family, do it together, and make a super fun project that you can maybe gift to a loved one on Valentine's Day. To do this, we are using the Holiday Essentials Love Collection by Moda Fabrics. The very first thing you're going to do is prep your materials. So we're going to cut the fabric that we are giving, which is this beautiful coordinating fabric here that we're preparing all for you. You're going to cut them into 7-inch by 2-inch strips. This is going to then tie around the wreath here. And once you have it all prepped, you're going to then organize it by color and pattern and set it aside in a kind of a rotation, which you like to plan with the fabric. So you have your fabric set out in a pattern that you would like it. The pattern does not matter, just whatever you think looks best. We're then going to grab your wire wreath here, and this will come in a kit with the coordinating fabric for you. And you're going to grab one of your strips that you cut. We do have a free download available for you with more detailed instructions, but you're going to take one of these strips and then just simply fold it in half so it is narrow there, and then in half one more time. Once you have that, you're going to then loop it over under one of these wires here and pull it through the loop and pull nice and tight. So then you start to create this pattern around here that will then fill in the wreath. I'll show you a few more times here. We'll take this lovely heart one that's just adorable. We're doing it in half and then in half again. Put it under the wire, pull it through this loop, and then pull it through again, nice and tight. And you're just going to continue in a pattern that you like best. It is that simple until you create this lovely wreath here that creates just this shaggy look that is all filled in and just adorable. This is the perfect Valentine's Day project, and it is so simple. You can do it with anyone. This would look great hanging on your door. Also a mantle is just some extra Valentine's Day decor. Really is lovely. Thank you for joining me. We will see you next time. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow along the At Home with Shabby Pinterest and Instagram page, At Home with Shabby. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time.